everybody, this is your boy Mr. Green Hands. Hey, how everybody's doing? It's Sunday Fun Day Monday. It's not a Sunday Fun Day Monday. It's a Sunday, definitely for sure. It's really cold in the morning with the wind blowing through. The sun was out. I was like, oh my God, is this England? But it is. The weather is as predictable as me going to work today, because you know I don't work Sundays. I'm working out here in the garden. This is my time. But this is a December update to show you how my garden is looking. And you guys are going to be surprised. I hope you're going to be surprised. Hey, I even care if you don't even be surprised. It is what it is. My garden is showing love and life. In this bed, I still have my kale. They're not the best at the moment because of it's winter, but the kale does strive really well throughout the winter, and it will come back next year even better. I still have some carrots I need to get out of here, and I still have some beetroot that can handle the cold. I will need to harvest these soon. I need to get them out. Yeah, get them out, juice them, drink them, recharge the energy, and get myself out there. I definitely need to get these out soon, hopefully in the week. I definitely need to, because or else there's gonna be some bits and pieces called wormies inside the garden that's gonna eat them. I need to eat some of them before they eat them. This is the other bed. This is the bed that gave me the most work. This bed here. Let me go give you guys a closer look of how it is looking. Let me walk around. I know that you guys can see this new laid, my new walkway. I have been killing myself this morning getting that wood chip that we get free over here in the UK or at the allotment, and making my garden ready for next year, so that when the growing season come in, I'm ready to go. Okay, so in this bed I still have some beetroot still doing its thing. It has a super amount of life in there. It's still got it. You know what? This is December. It's almost Christmas in about a week's time, and my garden is still showing me life. New leaves are coming up. I'm like, okay, this garden is still going, and I'm not going to cover it. These are the white snowball turnips. They come to the end. I didn't really take all of them out. There was too many, for the soup. I still have a weirdly growing spinach. Don't know how it got in there, but it's in there. I think I probably had a box of stuff. I just threw them everywhere. I got something to show you guys. Look at this. This, I just pulled it up. I normally don't want to pull it up, but I just pulled it up to show you guys. This is a radish. I know, you might be thinking, holy crap, Rambo, it's mutated. It's a radish I left in the ground. And look at the size of it. It's the size of a mango, but it's not. It's a radish. Beetroot is still here. I think I went crazy with beetroot. Let's see, guys, look, some radish I've left. I'm going to pinch them at the end, get them out, leave the bottom bit so it can feed the soil still. There's one radish still looking like I can take him home. Wait and see. Excuse me, guys, my nose has got a runny nose. It is cold, guys. What do you expect? In the other bed here. And by the way, guys, this is the Mr. Foxy Woxy. These guys, the foxes were killing me. But this is my most productive bed. These guys here, I've got some cauliflower in here. They're still hanging on there, still putting on new leaves. Some of them are a bit bitten up. They've had a frost a few days ago, but I think they should be all right, because these are the all year round cauliflower. If they don't make it, anyway, I'll plant some more, but I didn't want to leave my garden empty. I still have a carrot. Let me just pop one of these carrots out, take it home with me. There's a good looking size one here. What do you think, guys? Isn't that good to eat? Carrot, still out here in the garden in December. Let me take that home with me. I've got some winter cabbages. That's a winter cabbage right there. There's another couple in here. That is a beetroot in here as well. I went crazy because I didn't want my garden to be a place where you just grow one variety in one place. No, I want it to be everywhere. I wanted things to be just mixed. Companion planting, guys. It's all about having something planted everywhere rather than having it stuck in its own zone. And it's just, if a disease comes, there's nothing there to protect it. You're not going to get nothing out of it. It's just going to go basically a disaster. So having it all mixed in, blended into the garden, it gives you the opportunity to make sure your gardens thrive and have something still going. Guys, this is the other section of the bed. What am I thinking bed? I know it's a garden bed, but it's the other section of the allotment. What is wrong with you, Rambo? Please, we don't need no rehab around here. We ain't Amy Winehouse. Anyway, I've got some black radishes. These guys thrive with that cold spring. I am going to have you guys in my tummy. Let's have a look. Let's have a little feel. Oh, it's got something there. Look at that, guys. A little bit of carrot. Still carrot in the ground in December. Beautiful. I got a chard. By the way, I didn't plant this. It made its way over here. Look at that. It's a chard. Because I did have some chard planted along the way here last season. This is where I had my tomatoes that went. It went. That's all I can say before I get too angry. But it is what it is. This is the garden life. Some more bunching onions still giving me. You can come here and just harvest something like that in winter. It's a blessing. Some more things there. But in this pile here, guys, I am not going to take this apart. But underneath this, I am experimenting with a lemongrass that I had here. So the lemongrass, I harvest everything right to the bone. I cut it down, but I piled some hay and some soil on top of it, compact it, and we're gonna wait and see. We're gonna have to wait till spring and see if it comes back. And this is amazing if it does, because that means I will have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lemongrass ready to go right there. And then going over to my other brassicas, because you know brassicas love the cold. These are some Romanesco cauliflower. If I could tell you what this is, I would be lying to you. I definitely can't remember exactly what I put. These actually might be Brussels sprouts. They might even be Brussels sprouts. I went out a little bit crazy and planted a lot of things. I got some more cauliflower in here. Look at that. They're doing really well. They're striving. I got some beautiful, beautiful cabbages here. I did have a collard green over here somewhere, but it didn't make it, guys. But look at that. I'll break off some of these leaves. Give it a chance. Let the soil eat them up and give them back some rich nitrogen, so I can have a beautiful crop in the garden ready for next year. I got some parsnips, but these I didn't plant. I had a beautiful, majestic parsnip tree that I had right over there, and it dried down and it seeded up, and it's given me parsnips. Because these here, you see, if you can see the little babies here, these are parsnips which are still growing. And I can't show you, but I can actually, yeah, I can. If you look closely, that is a beautiful sweet parsnip that's gonna go right in my tummy when I'm ready. The garlic is over here. No sign of it yet. I've oh, maybe there is a sign. Let's get closer, guys. Look at that. The garlic is starting to show some love, and that is how it is. I still haven't harvested my potatoes, but I'm gonna harvest them next week. This is how much my parsnip was seeded. So many little tiny little parsnips in the pots, but unfortunately you gotta go. I gotta get these potatoes out before we do get a frost and I lose them. In here I've just buried a lot of natural organic matter. As you guys can see, it's like the coconut trash, cocoa cores as you call it, but I got these for free. The cocoa core I got for free. But let me go and show you around this side here what I'm doing, because it's all coming into action, guys. I got some hay that I'm going to be using to cover the beds with, some cauliflower in here, some purple cauliflower. Look at that. It's not the best, but I'm going to have those for dinner, lunch and breakfast. Maybe not for breakfast because that's not ready to go. My mint, my lemon balm is freezing cold in the UK, and my lemon balm is still trying to come alive, guys. It's mental. So I can pinch a few leaves like of those, take them home and have some tea. The mint is still here. It's mid-December. It's still here. My compost box is getting filled up with all the organic matter that I've been having from my garden, and the wood chip that's been dropped here for free. Yeah, and I went crazy with the growing, guys, because underneath this, which I need to remove out the way. All that noise, guys, sorry about that. But underneath this is garlic. I have a whole garlic bed here again. And there's garlic in this one as well. Don't call it garlic crazy, but garlic is perfect for this weather. And this is your boy, Mr. Green Hands, saying that's it. It's your update of December. Just because it's cold, you get nothing to do. Get out there, tidy up your garden, get everything ready so you can beat the rush for next season. It's your boy, Mr. Green Hands. As always, don't forget to take care of yourself and the planet, because we just have to.